How to use LinkedIn for social media. Improve your social media profile with LinkedIn. Today, we're diving into how to use LinkedIn for social media. If you want to improve your social media profile and leverage LinkedIn for professional growth, this video is for you. Introduction to LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a powerful social media platform tailored for professionals. Unlike other social networks, LinkedIn focuses on professional connections, career development, and industry news. With over 700 million users, it's an essential tool for job seekers, recruiters, and businesses. Optimize your profile. First things first, you need to optimize your LinkedIn profile. Start with a professional profile picture and a compelling headline that summarizes your professional identity. Your headline is the first thing people see, so make it count. Craft a strong summary. Next, write a strong summary. This is your elevator pitch. Highlight your skills, experiences, and career goals. Use keywords relevant to your industry to make your profile more searchable. Detail your experience. List your job experiences in detail. Include your roles, responsibilities, and achievements. Quantify your accomplishments with numbers to give them more impact. Skills and endorsements. Don't forget to add skills to your profile. Ask colleagues and connections to endorse you. This boosts your credibility and showcases your expertise. Recommendations. Request recommendations from past colleagues or clients. These act as testimonials and can greatly enhance your profile's credibility. Engage with content. LinkedIn isn't just a digital resume, it's a social network. Engage with content by liking, commenting, and sharing posts relevant to your field. This keeps you active in your network and increases your visibility. Publish articles. Consider publishing articles on LinkedIn. Share your insights, experiences, and knowledge. This establishes you as a thought leader in your industry and can attract more connections and opportunities. Join groups. Join LinkedIn groups related to your industry or interests. Participate in discussions, share your expertise, and network with other professionals. Connect with intent. When connecting with others, do so with intent. Personalize your connection requests. Mention how you know them or why you want to connect. This increases the chances of your request being accepted. Network strategically. Network strategically by connecting with industry leaders, potential clients, and colleagues. A strong network can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. Utilize LinkedIn features. Take advantage of LinkedIn's features like LinkedIn Learning for professional development and LinkedIn Jobs to find opportunities that match your skills and interests. Monitor analytics. Keep an eye on your profile's analytics. LinkedIn provides insights on who's viewing your profile and how your content is performing. Use this data to refine your strategy. Conclusion. That's it for today's video on using LinkedIn for social media. By optimizing your profile, engaging with content, and networking strategically, you can significantly enhance your professional presence on LinkedIn.